Today we're building AI side hustles you can sell this week. 5 productized offers with clear deliverables and workflows. Stop guessing what AI services to sell. I'm about to show you 5 services people already pay for today, with clear deliverables and simple workflows a beginner can execute this week. No clickbait, just real services with real demand. Pick one and start earning. But first, hit subscribe. Subscribe to get weekly, practical AI income workflows delivered right to you. We release new strategies every Tuesday, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a new upload. Service number 1. AI Research Assistant. Deliverable checklist. Google Doc plus citations. Workflow. Demo. Sources. Summarize, export. Quick tip. Use bullet points for clarity. Quick tip. Double-check citations before delivery. Case example. Before-after summary with sources. What you deliver. A Google Doc summary with cited sources. Key quotes highlighted, sources verified, ready to export. Here's the workflow. Client sends you a brief. You search and summarize using AI tools for speed, highlight the best quotes, then export the final doc. Let me show you a quick demo. I'll search for sustainable packaging trends, let the AI process multiple sources, and watch it generate a summary with key stats. Citations get formatted automatically. I select the best quotes for impact, and export a professional PDF. Total time, 15 minutes. Clients pay $50 to $200 for this level of research. Research Assistant, fast, thorough, profitable. 65% of organizations regularly use generative AI according to McKinsey's 2024 survey. Service 2, Content Refresh for blogs and LinkedIn. Deliverable checklist, SEO checklist included workflow demo, before-after copy, SEO improvements. Quick tip, use headings for scannability. Quick tip, add FAQs for extra value. Case example, before-after readability boost. You deliver a before and after document plus an SEO checklist. Workflow starts with tone analysis, then you rewrite for clarity, add proper headings and FAQs, then apply final polish. Here's a live example. This blog post is outdated and hard to read. AI analyzes the tone and structure. I rewrite for modern readers with shorter paragraphs, add scannable headings for SEO, create an FAQ section for common questions, and optimize for search engines. The difference is night and day. Better readability means higher engagement, which clients love to see. Charge $75 to $300 per piece depending on length and complexity. Content Refresh. Transform old posts into engagement magnets. McKinsey's 2025 update shows 78% of organizations now use AI. Our third service is Video Operations. This is all about taking a finished video and maximizing its impact. You'll make it more accessible for viewers, more discoverable for search algorithms, and ultimately, more valuable for your client by enhancing its performance across platforms. Let's review the deliverable checklist for an SRT file that's truly ready for upload. This means it's not just a text file, it's been meticulously reviewed for accuracy, the timestamps are perfectly synced to the dialogue, and the formatting is flawless for any platform, from YouTube to LinkedIn. Our workflow demo shows just how streamlined this is. We start with a clean transcript, the foundation for everything. From there, we create chapters to improve viewer navigation and retention. Finally, we export the perfectly formatted SRT file. Each step is designed for efficiency and quality. Here's a quick tip. Use timestamps to create a table of contents in your video description. This boosts user experience and helps search engines understand and rank your video for specific topics discussed within it. And another quick tip. Summarize the key points for your clients. This summary isn't just a courtesy, it's a repurposable asset they can use for social media posts or email newsletters, adding even more value to your service. Consider this case example. The before and after of an SRT file. Before, you have a raw, unpunctuated block of text. After, you have a clean, professionally formatted, and perfectly timed caption file that enhances the viewing experience. So, what do you deliver? You provide the essential SRT captions, but you package it professionally in a comprehensive Notion page. This includes a concise summary, a compelling SEO-optimized title and description, and clearly defined chapters. It's a full optimization package. The workflow is a simple 4-step process. Transcribe the audio, summarize the key takeaways, craft the metadata, and format the SRT file. Here's how it works. The client sends you their video. You use an AI tool to generate the initial transcript, then review it for perfect accuracy. Next, you create a summary, using AI to pull out the most important points automatically. Then you write compelling metadata, the title and description, to ensure the video gets discovered. Finally, you format the corrected transcript into the final SRT file. Let me process a real video. The initial transcription for a 10-minute video takes only about 2 minutes. The AI then intelligently pulls out the key points, creating an automatic summary. It generates multiple title options for maximum click-through, writes descriptions with timestamps for a better user experience, and creates chapters for easy navigation. The SRT file exports perfectly formatted and everything goes into a clean Notion page. For this high-value service, you can charge $40 to $150 per video depending on length and complexity. Video Ops turns raw footage into discoverable content, and this skill is in high demand. Upwork reports that generative AI skills are among the most sought after, allowing freelancers to command premium rates. Service 4 is Sales Operations, the engine room for powerful lead generation and cold email campaigns. This isn't just admin work, it's about building a strategic, scalable outreach system. We handle the complex, time-consuming back-end processes, freeing up your team to focus on building relationships and closing deals. Our core deliverable is a powerful 1-2 punch. The checklist is simple: a meticulously cleaned CSV of qualified leads, plus a set of high-converting email templates. Our workflow demo will show you exactly how we transform raw, messy data into a strategic asset. We'll cover the entire process, from deep cleaning and formatting contacts, to the art of crafting compelling email copy that actually gets replies and starts conversations. Let's look at a case example. We often start with raw data like this: unusable, full of duplicates, missing info, and formatting errors. My first step is applying your specific qualification criteria to filter for the highest potential prospects. Then, I meticulously clean the list. A vital tip here is to always deduplicate your leads. Sending the same person multiple emails looks unprofessional and corrupts your performance data. The final deliverable is a pristine CSV you can trust. Next, I create 3 distinct email templates. The pain point approach empathizes with a specific challenge. The value proposition angle clearly states your benefits. And the social proof template builds credibility. Another quick tip: personalize every email. A single relevant sentence showing you've done your homework can dramatically boost reply rates. Each template is short, direct, and includes personalization fields, making them perfect for A/B testing. The results are significant. Our clients typically see response rates between 2 and 5%, a huge leap from the industry average of less than 1%. This service is priced between $200 and $800, with the final cost depending on the volume of leads and the level of customization required. Ultimately, Sales Ops turns raw data into revenue-generating campaigns. This service aligns perfectly with market trends, as Fiverr's 2025 data shows strong growth in demand for AI services and workflow automation. Service 5 is Presentations and Documents. Here you become a storyteller and strategist, helping clients transform raw ideas into polished, persuasive decks. You're not just writing slides, you're building a narrative that captivates an audience and drives results. Your deliverable checklist is straightforward but powerful. The client receives a complete deck draft structured with a logical narrative. This is paired with comprehensive speaker notes for every slide, which is the key to a confident delivery. Our workflow begins with the client's brief, the topic and audience. From there, you create the outline. This is our first quick tip: use outlines for logical flow. A strong outline is the skeleton of your presentation, ensuring every point connects. AI can help you generate a robust structure in minutes, mapping out the introduction, key arguments, and conclusion so the story builds effectively. Next, you write the slide copy, focusing on clarity and impact. Which brings us to our second quick tip: add actionable insights. Don't just show a chart, explain what the data means and what the audience should do about it. This transforms a passive report into a strategic tool. You can see the power of this in our before and after case example, where a cluttered slide becomes a clear, compelling point. Then you add the speaker notes. These are your client's secret weapon. They include key talking points, smooth transitions, and prompts for engaging the audience with questions or stories. To complete the package, you suggest relevant visuals. This helps guide the design process, ensuring images and graphics reinforce the message and maintain a professional, consistent look throughout the entire deck. After a final review for flow, the client gets everything they need. For this high-value service, you can charge from $150 to $600, depending on the presentation's length and research depth. You're delivering more than a file. You're delivering confidence and helping transform ideas into persuasive, professional decks that get results. 5 services, 5 income streams, research that saves hours, content that converts, video ops that scale, sales systems that work, and presentations that persuade, each one proven, profitable, and ready to start. The question isn't which one works, it's which one you'll start this week. Pick one service and comment which you'll start. I'll send you a tailored checklist with exact steps to launch in 7 days. Just comment Research Assistant or Video Ops, and join hundreds of others taking action. Hit the notification bell for all uploads because next week I'm sharing advanced pricing strategies that let you charge premium rates and build recurring client relationships. Subscribe now for weekly AI income strategies. Every Tuesday, new ways to monetize AI skills. Next video: how to price AI services for maximum profit. Smash the like button if this helped, comment your chosen service below, and share this with someone ready to start their AI side hustle. This is Smart AI Hustle, where AI skills become income streams. See you next Tuesday for more profitable AI strategies. Until then, pick your service and start building.